There's a voice inside of me. Set it free, set it free, set it free. Again, Oh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a video that I'm so excited about because I feel like this is a long time coming. I feel like this is like low-key a long time coming. I feel like this is something that we've all, well, if not all of us, definitely me, has been waiting for. It's Bratz, you know, the dolls, the girls, to finally do a collaboration with a makeup brand. Now, I was hoping and fingers crossed that it was going to be like ColourPop, but it's not. It's Revolution, Makeup Revolution, but I'm still excited nonetheless because if the makeup quality is bad, I don't care because I can still like put this on display. So today I have the Bratz, not the full collection, but I have everything from each like category. I have been wanting a Bratz makeup collection for a long time. I know Barbie has done stuff with ColourPop and other brands, but okay, so backstory, disclaimer, backstory, a little bit about me. I grew up in, you know, the South and stuff like that, but I was always fruity. This is definitely fruity. I was definitely fruity. My grandmother knew that, and I would always stay with my grandma. I lived with my grandma for a little bit when I was younger. She knew that I was, you know, a fruitcake. She would let me buy any toys that I want, especially like Barbies, Bratz, whatever. So I had both. I was a hybrid, you know what I mean? Like, I know there were some girls and some gays and some days that were Bratz only and then Barbie only. I was both, you know, very non-binary of me. That didn't stop me from having like each side having their own like. Bratz and Barbies definitely had beef in my little imaginary universe that I created for them. There was drama. Each doll had their storyline. So they did stuff for each girl and they did palettes for each girl, but I got the all the girls palette because it looked the most intriguing, and it's a pressed pigment palette. So you guys kind of know how pressed pigments work. They're just a little bit tricky to work with sometimes, but not all the time. So I haven't primed my eyes yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I don't really use primer like that anymore. I love that this palette has a big ass mirror. I kind of want to do some swatches, so I'm just gonna swatch some random colors. So I'm gonna do like My Girls. It's this purple. I mean, that's a nice pastel purple. I kind of want to use this shade. That's a nice pastel purple. What about this green? Stylesville. It's a nice lime green. I mean, for a lime green, I mean, it's a lime green. I don't know. I don't expect much from a lime green. This like pink shade called Jade. It's very like pastel-y. Like it's giving me like early 2000s, late 90s like color palette. If that makes sense. I feel like I always do this eye look anyway, so it's like super easy. It's nice. I like how it's buildable too. I like how it's like super, this is like literally pastel, like the definition of pastel. I really like that. Did any of you guys grow up watching the Bratz movies? Like, I grew up watching all of the Bratz movies, even the live action one. And even the live action one is kind of cringy. I grew up still watching it, and I still love it to this day. I watched it the other day because it's on HBO Max now. Like, they just added it. Like, so if you have HBO Max, they just added the live action Bratz movie. When I was a kid, the live action Bratz movie has like a big ending, like a musical ending, I guess. Like, I don't know, like, I don't know how to explain it, like a musical ending, basically. And when I was a kid, I would rewind to that part and play it over and over again because I thought the song was such a bop. Like, as an adult, I'm like, why did I, like, obsess over the song? Because it's, like, not the best song, but it's, like, as a kid, I was like, oh my god, this is it. I really like how this was pretty easy to blend out for a pressed pigment. Assuming all the pastels are pressed pigments because they're pastels and kind of hard to formulate. I'm just gonna like, might do like a little bit of like a halo moment. I just want to put it right in the center. Now for the moment of truth. Please don't be bad. Please don't look 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 bad. Just like how frosty and like pale it is. It's literally 2000s as like hell. Like if you're wanting something like bright, vibrant, and pigmented, like I don't know if that's people's vibe anymore because I feel like that's so 2018, 2019. But this is definitely like frosty and pale. Okay, so they came out with these eye pencils, each shade representing each girl. Oh my god, the packaging of these eye pencils is so cute. Oh my god! So obviously I'm probably gonna take the blue because I have blue on my lids and it just makes the most sense. And this is obviously Chloe's shade. Ooh, they're creamy. Then this is Jade right next to it. Oh, they're so creamy. They glide on. They almost feel like a lip pencil. Then we have Yasmin, this pastel purple, which is so gorgeous. I love these. Sasha, which is this pastel orange. So this is the, oh my god, I love these shades. Oh wow. It just glides on. Holy shit. All Revolution eye pencils work like this? Because I might get more. Like, look at this eyeliner packaging. This hot pink, I can't. I'm dying. It's felt tip. It's pretty black. So I'm gonna do this on my, I don't really do eyeliner like that, but I'm gonna do it for the sake of this video. In my inner corner. So I'm gonna do the other line on this eye and then I'm gonna pop lashes on and then I'm gonna come back for the lips. It's a cute look. I like it. It's very simple. Like obviously like it's not a crazy look, but I really like it. Like I really like how fun it was and I just feel like, I mean obviously the palette's for novelty, right? Like obviously the palette's for novelty. Like it's not really for, I mean, unless you're like, oh, I'm about to do like makeup artistry with this, which I feel like the right girls could, like the right, you know, the right people could. And I'm sure I could too. I'm sure I could pop off if I really like sat down and like conceptualized the look. But for something I made off the whim, I really like how fun and just like simple it is and like just, it's just fun and simple. I don't know, I really like this and I really liked so far the, like, I think my favorite thing so far is this and the eyeliner. Like, the eyeliner is really nice, and it's felt tip, and it was, I mean, you saw it. It took me 2 seconds to put this, well, unless I cut it up in post, but it took me 2 seconds to put the eyeliner on. But these are super creamy. If I was to recommend anything so far, it's these eyeliners. So I did get 2 different lip crayons. They didn't have lipsticks, if I remember correctly. They only had lip glosses and lip crayons. I got 2 different shades. The shades that on the website I thought would be like my tea. Yasmin and Chloe. I think since I'm going such a Chloe vibe today, I might end up doing Chloe, but I'm gonna swatch both. I'm actually obsessed with this makeup so far. Like, oh yeah. So this is what, oh my god, they're so cute. Oh my god, the lip crowns are so cute themselves. Like, oh my god. They were gonna be like lip pencils, but they're actually like big ass crowns. Like on the website, I thought they were gonna be skinny little lip pencils, like to line my lips with their actual like crowns. Okay, so these are lipsticks. So I'm gonna swatch on this side. So this is, oh, they're creamy. This is Chloe. If you can see, that's Chloe. It's Yasmin. I'll swatch right next to it, which is like this red, like, actual like red brown. So actually I would say this is like orange brown, like Chloe's like orange brown, and this one's like red brown. Taking my MAC lip liner and strip down to add some contour because it's applying a little light. Oh yeah, this is about to give. This is about to give. So now let's go into Cleo. I keep saying I'm trying to say Cleo. So now let's go into Chloe. This is Chloe, right? Yeah. And because I'm crazy, I'm going to lighten it up in the center because you guys know I love doing that. I'm so excited about this lip gloss. Oh my god, you have no idea. Because it's the cutest packaging in the world, which I'm obviously going to keep. But this big burly bitch of a fucking lip gloss, you guys. Like, this big old kahuna ass motherfucker. Like, I already showed you, but like, I just can't deal. Like, it's so big. Okay. So I got the clear one. They have colors for the other girls. I should have gotten one because honestly, I feel like if I gotten one, it would look so good with this lip. But the clear is fine too. So, I mean, you can't really swatch it. I mean, that looks juicy. If it's not juicy gloss, I don't know. But like, please hold on. Before I apply it, I need you to see this visual. Literally, I literally cannot deal with like the idea of like, I just need this big ass out of a little purse. It's just like, oh my god. Where's my lip gloss, you guys? Like, where's my lip gloss? This big fucking burly bitch with this big Bratz logo on here. Like, it's so cute! It's so cute. It's so cute. I mean, it's really just fun playing with all this makeup and just it being like Bratz, and it's just like, it made me feel like a kid, like having fun with makeup. I don't know, it felt really fun. It felt like I was playing with toys, I guess. I don't know, like just young and nostalgic. This obviously looks like kids makeup, but it's not kids makeup. Do you know what I mean? It's supposed to be nostalgic. It's supposed to be, you know, whatever. And I love that. I really love that it has this nostalgic flair to it. And I mean, the packaging doesn't look cheap. It still looks like they put effort into it. I mean, if I was to say, like, if anything was to look cheap, it would be, like, the palette. But, I mean, no. I think the thing that I really loved the most was, surprisingly, the eye pencil set, which I know sounds so random, but the fact that it was wood pencils and it was so creamy, it felt like lip liners. But lip liners, I've put lip liners in my eye before, like in my waterline, just because I didn't have any other, like, I needed that color. And it was for the photos, for whatever, like, whatever. And it left my eyes irritated and watery and stuff like that. These don't, and it doesn't feel like there's anything in my waterline at all, which is something I hate. I hate feeling things on my face, in my eyes. I'm not one to always pick out a lip crayon. Like, I'm not like, oh my god, I want a lip crayon. But I think it's cool that they did this, like, and not like a regular lipstick or like a tube lipstick. They did it like this, because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like Bratz would be lip crayon girls. I don't know. Yeah, all in all, like, I really love this collection. I definitely recommend it if you guys are wanting to check it out. I'll have the link down below. I wanted to mention real fast that I do now have my own personal website where I link products. Okay, so real fast, I just wanted to switch to a voiceover and show you guys the SHOPLIST thing that I was talking about, because I explained it terrible in the video. But basically, I have this website that you can go to, shoplist.us/Thomas Halbert, my name. I'll link it in every video from now on, where you can go and shop the products that I talked about in all of my videos. each product in each video, and it's an easier way to do it so you can actually see a visual instead of just like seeing a list in the description box. I'll still list in the description box, but it's easier for me, and it's also easier for you guys to go like shop my favorite products, and it'll always be there, it'll never leave, and you can see all these other lists that I've made. I have a list for my best makeup for natural looking skin. By the way, this isn't sponsored, but if you do purchase products through this list, like if you click here, it'll take you to Ulta, and you purchase from the link that you clicked here, I do get a commission. I do make a percentage of that sale, which supports me out a lot, like it actually helps me. But I listed my skincare routine for sensitive combo skin, where you can get my skincare routine, my favorite sunscreens, my best drugstore products. My favorite drugstore products is listed here. You know, best makeup for natural looking skin, and then of course the Bratz Revolution makeup. So if you're looking to purchase anything from this video, please do so through my shop list. It'll be an easier way to do it. Also, there's this really cool feature on this that I'm going to be doing all the time called consults, where you can click on here, and I'll do this thing for you that you can pay for. You don't have to, but you can, where I'll give you personalized makeup picks. So you click on it and you can take this test, where you can fill out what makeup are you currently using, where do you shop, what brands do you usually like to buy, how would you like to describe your skin, what's your primary skin concerns, and then anything else you'd like to tell me. And then I will send you my own personalized product recommendations based off of what you sent me to you, for you to try and put into your skincare routine, or not your skincare, but your makeup routine. Which is just a little extra thing that you can do if you're wanting something more personalized for yourself, rather than, you know, just going through tons of my videos trying to see if what I recommend or whatever. But yeah, this is another way for you to support me. If you purchase through these links on this website, shoplist.us/Thomas Halbert, it does support me. I do make a commission. It is like a, if you were to shop through like the links in another Beauty Guru's description, you know, it's like that kind of thing. It's like an affiliate link basically. So but I'm doing this because I've done affiliate links before, but they're kind of annoying because I list the products, and it's just, this is easier for you guys to literally just click on a link and be like, oh, okay, I can see what he talks about in the video. I don't have to like put a name to a picture or anything like that. I can literally just see it in the video and be like, okay, this is what he wanted, this is what I wanted in the video. I can click on it and it'll take you there, and you can purchase it for yourself. So it's a lot easier. Like if you wanted the lip gloss, you can go there. So I'll be doing this for all my future videos, and it's the best way to support me. It'll be in the description box and in the comment section below. So yeah, and yeah, thank you guys so much. Oh my god, wait, I just realized my makeup matches these shades. Oh my god, this is such a look. This is literally such a vibe. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'm going to be posting another video very soon. I'm not going to ditch you guys again. You can stream my song Enemy. I'll be linked down below. It's all that stuff. Link down below. My song. All those things. Links down below. Profiles. Sorry, I'm just so bad at, like, I haven't filmed a YouTube video in so long, so I'm just like, how do I do this? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye guys!